What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So, yeah, a little clickbait in the thumbnail and the title of the video. It's a fixed blade. Okay, I'm not that dumb. I know how to close knives and open them. But anyway, it's a fixed blade, so I figured I'd have fun with the title, and that's what it's all about. Having fun. So anyway, yeah, this is a fixed blade from a company I've never owned before. So it's a knife in my mission. 27 or $28 price point, so very budget friendly. Yeah, so it's a little fixie. I'm not a fixed blade guy by any means. I love folding knives, and I do own a few fixed blades, but normally I buy them for looks, something I'll display, that kind of thing. Nothing I'll carry around really. I can have my knife, foldable and in my pocket. Anyways, let's take a look at this thing. And I did buy this. I'm not gonna lie, I bought it for the looks. I thought it looked really cool for a little fixie. So, oh, what's that? No piece of plastic, some silica. What else we got? And here it is. So it's got a nylon sheath, but from the looks of it, actually looks nice. It's a nice nylon sheath. Um, Little leather or pleather accent there. I'm not sure. Let's see it smell. Don't smell any leather on there, but that sometimes that fades away. But it's got their logo on there. Got a nice piece of paracord on there. I don't know what the function would be, honestly. Let's actually just take this guy out. But it's got like a belt loop, so you hang that on the outside of your belt there. And I guess that's for if you need some paracord or you want your dog to bite onto something. I don't know. But anyways, it's gotten, I know I'm talking about the thing sheath too much, but almost got like a carbon fiber pattern on there. But it is nylon. Nice sheath. Nice sheath. Yeah, it's good for what it is. And here is the knife. Let's get this guy out of here. And as you can tell, it is a cleaver. I like cleavers when I work in the kitchen. So I will not use this in the kitchen. Just not, I don't know. Can I? Nah, don't have the leverage like a big meat cleaver that I'd use in the shop or the kitchen. But yeah, cool looking blade though. I definitely dig it. Let's see what we got for specs on it. 3.25-inch blade, same for the cutting edge. It goes all the way full blade. Um, what else we got? It's a stonewash and satin kind of finish. So if you can see right there, stonewash on the blade here, and then it's got like kind of a satin finish there. Check out the ergos real quick, and oh, look at the jimping, some big old jimpings, right where it needs to be. No joke, it's right where it needs to be. The ergos are good, little small for my hand, but if your hands are just like regular size or not jumbo like mine, it'll probably fit really nice. Good weight to this dang thing, and in case I didn't mention, it's 440, 440A blade steel, so typical in cheaper fixed blade knives. G10 handle. It's black and tan. And I dig the look of it. I really dig the looks of this handle. I actually had a pen that looked exactly like this. I cannot find. Forget the company. It doesn't matter. But yeah, it's got these hills and valleys and stuff, and just yeah, it's very yeah. It just you can feel it in your hand. Just a lot to hold on to. It's not smooth. It's very textured for sure. And it's a full tang blade, so no blade wiggle, right? Yeah, but a full tang goes all the way through. Got a lanyard hole on there. Overall, nice looking little knife. Let's see what else we got on here. 7.4 ounces. So it's pretty heavy. It's got some weight to it. But yeah, it is pretty neat looking, and I'm impressed, and especially with the price point and everything. But yeah, it feels very solid. And it's definitely something cool to look at. Looking, I think they said it's a flat grind, but that's definitely a hollow grind. Maybe you guys can see, that's definitely a hollow grind. I mean, that's textbook. If you look at pictures of a hollow grind, that's what it is. So I like that. I like hollow grinds, and this makes it look awesome. But yeah, so that's my little fixie that I got. So let me know what you guys think about this thing in the comments, if you'd buy one or not. And yeah, drop a like, subscribe, do what you want to do. It's a free world. But oh, wait, look at that. That's another thing. So it's got like these on the G10 there, it's kind of got like that orangish red color going there. It's kind of cool. It gives it a little pop. Yeah, I like this thing. Why? Yeah, it's fun. And let's compare it to something else. It's stupid. Hey, look at that. I brought this guy out again. This knife is so dumb. But it's funny though, because look at the blade thickness. It's the same. And like actually, you know what? The little guy has, yeah, it looks a little thicker. This thing's fun. Anyways, I digress. So thank you for watching. Actually, you know what? Let's put it in the sheath. Which way to go? Like that, huh? Oh, cool. So yeah, so got in the sheath now. So yeah, pretty cool little thing. Lanyard hole. Anyways, you can put that there. Whatever. Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thank you to all my veteran brothers and sisters and all you active duty guys and girls. Be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, something that folds. Bye.